This is our self-assessment for shoulder external rotation. So the first way we can do this is just standing up. Try to line your humerus, your upper arm bone, up with your scap. And so your shoulder blade kind of comes off of your rib cage at a slight angle. So we don't want to be back here, we want to be just right about there. And so for external rotation, you're basically going to see how far back you can pull this arm. And so you want to keep your elbow kind of on a fixed point, keep your rib cage down. And so again, you might want a helper to look at your ribs and look at your shoulder blade and tell you you're just rotating this arm. So this is pure rotation here, keeping the elbow on a fixed point. How much external rotation do I have? This is the external rotation. That's my limit there. So I'm pretty clear to go overhead. So overhead movements require you to bring bars down, doing a pull-up. You want this external rotation. So if you're lacking here, if you're getting to here, or even just here, these movements are going to put a lot of strain on your shoulder. So a lot of shoulder problems that I see are really relating to lacking external rotation and an athlete that's doing too much overhead work without sufficient external rotation. So we would put you at an incline for pressing and pulling so that you're just a little bit inside of your active range. And that's going to make sure that your shoulder is not being overloaded and challenged to a point that's a little bit beyond its capabilities. So we will give you some mobility tools to improve your external shoulder rotation, following up with these exercises that we're doing after this assessment.